among the projects that I want to continue as your college representative to the USC would be UFA Anong Say Mo, dahil naniniwala ako na proper consultation na kailangan for effective student representation. And one of the legacy projects of the University and National Issues Committee, which I will be heading next year, is the colloquium. So it's already on its 3 years na nag-run siya as project. So it's a good avenue, and it's a good avenue for students to raise their voices, concerns on specific university and national issues kung saan as UP students kailangan talaga nating mag-participate. Therefore, UFA Ano Say Mo and the colloquium, definitely this will be part of Unique's projects next year, and as your college representative to the USC, pagpapatuloy natin ang mga projects nito.
So, yung project na gusto kong i-continue, yung ginawa ni Kuya Kif na talk, na White Synergy, kung saan may talk, yung kumuha siya, nag-invite siya ng speakers na nagsalita about the interprofessional relationship among professionals like doctors. So, gusto ko yung i-continue para, kasi hindi ko pa rin na-feel na yung tulungan na alam ng CP students and aware na naiintindihan nila yung interprofessional relationships. Tapos, yung sa second question.
And then, CP student, kapag sinabi kasing CP, pakiramdam ng ibang colleges, isolated tayo kasi we have our own toxicity, toxic tayo sa ACADS and all. Pero what I think is, through proper representation, mako-connect natin yung CP to other colleges. And also, as your college representative to the USC, one of the kits that I will be providing is Linkit. So Linkit is basically, I will be bridging the gap between UFA and USC, USC to UFA. So under Linkit, we will be having USC and then USC Watch. So USC is a meet and greet event for CP students and our USC officers. So yung USC officers natin, hindi lang natin makikilala sila bilang counselor for, let's say, arts and culture, pero mas makikilala natin sila personally, and then we'll also have the opportunity to know their plans for the whole academic year. And then under Linkit is also USC Watch. So USC Watch is i-re-establish natin ang UFA Face Board, which was spearheaded by our previous college representatives. So sa UFA Face Board, makikita natin yung track ng mga current USC projects. So we'll also be kept updated sa mga university-wide orgs and events by constantly posting these events or promoting publicity in our UFA Facebook account, sa gamit ng UFA SC account, and then sa UFA student body. And also, magkakaroon ng monthly consultation with the batch kung saan mas papromote pa natin ang mga events ng university ng buong UPM para ang CP palaging connected, and yeah, and we will be able to link it.
Second question. Kasali to sa project ko na USC Red Carpet. So here, parang, since naisip ko na, parang, hindi pa rin talaga aware or connected with the university activities ang CP. So, nasa JPO ako yung monthly activities ng USC kung saan ipopost ko yung mga proposed USC activities para aware sila. And I will make sure na talagang malalaman yun ng every student ng CP. And of course, yung USC Red Carpet kung saan papapuntahin dito yung mga incoming USC officers para makilala sila. Kasi may natanong ako na isang estudyante na hindi niya kilala yung mga incumbent USC officers. So, yun yung gagawin ko. Again, yun. Thank you.
Nato de Coco, because it's the sweetest, and siya talaga yung hinahanap ko sa isang halo-halo. Hindi complete ang halo-halo. Hindi siya complete. So, katulad ng representation na complete. So, hindi complete ang halo-halo kung walang Nata de Coco.
Nata de Coco. Kasi yun yung favorite ko. And, like, Nata de Coco, di ba, matigas siya pag-una, pero, malambot talaga yung Nata de Coco, pero mahirap siyang kagatin. So ako, I have sa outside firm, pero kapag sa inside, sure na friendly at approachable.